be discussing about writing informal letters. So I'm just going to give you some examples, like a very quick and small examples. How do we write letters in German? I told you already yesterday how do we write salutation and subscription in the letter, but today let's learn how do we write the email body and what all information should we include in the email body. So let's say maybe you have birthday in coming week and you are planning to give a house party. Then you are writing letter to your friend, or maybe email or a letter to your friend inviting them. So when you will be writing any exam now, there will be like different scenarios on which you will have to write an email. Let's say you are writing an informal email to any office to do some travel inquiries, or you're writing informal email to your friend living in another state, or you're writing an informal email to your parents. So it's just about writing a conversation, like writing a basic email or letter, maybe to any official colleague or any official department, or to your relatives. So it could be either informal or formal. Today we would be learning about writing informal emails. And as for A1, when you write email, so it should not be very complicated, it should be very simple. So let's say here we have a situation that you have a birthday party and you're inviting your friends. So how will you write letter maybe to your best friend? So let's say Angie has to invite Rachel for her birthday party. So hello Rachel, oder liebe Rachel, wie geht's? Or maybe you can write for es dir gut geht. I hope it's going fine with you. Now, when you will write a letter now, there will be 3 points given. Uh, so there will be 3 points given basis which you have to write an email.
Excuse
So,
me, Schuldigung.
yep.
Where is the screen, this one you're writing?
Is it not visible? Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me start again. I was saying, let's say you have a situation here when you have a birthday party and you have to invite your friends. So for that, you're writing any email or any letter. So let's say Angie is inviting Rachel for her birthday party. So as a salutation, you can write "Hello Rachel" or "Liebe Rachel." So because with females we write Liebe, with males we write Lieber, er. Wie geht's? How are you? Or ich hoffe, es dir gut geht. I hope it's going good with you. Now, general question. Let's say you are inviting somebody for your birthday party. What all information do you think should be there in your invitation? What all information you will give when you are sending any invitation?
When, where,
When, where,
what,
what, as in time, date, when,
yeah,
hmm,
place.
place, right, where it's there already, place, time, like one and the same thing. Or maybe some additional information you can write if you think that whatever you have written so far is not good enough. But when you would be writing any email, like in an examination, there will be few points given which all you will have to include in your letter. Let's say there they can write, please geben Sie bitte die Information Party. So like give all the information about the party, where kommt noch, who all are coming, like what all friends you have invited, and then mm, one fängt die party on, when the party will start. So here in examination there will be like such 3 points given about the topic on which you have to write email. So when you're writing the email body, it is very important that you mention and that you write about all three given points in your email body, else the marks will get deducted somewhere. So it's very important to pay attention to these 3 points when you're writing any email for the given topic. So here let's say we have to write information about all these points, giving information about the party, like the place, the date, etc. Then where kommt noch, who all are coming, who all your friends are coming. Then one fängt the party an, when the party will start. So let's start writing. So since it's A1, as I was saying, the letter should not be very complicated. Don't try to fill in when you're writing a letter with all the grammar things you have learned, to avoid ended up making a lot of grammatical mistakes. Try to keep it simple, to the point, that to giving all the information which is required. So here, let's start writing. Should be like um, Sainton, Solston, maybe like 10th December, Harbor ish, Park. Und ich gebe dafür eine Party. Dafür is like for that. So on 10th of December I have birthday, and for that dafür gebe ich eine Party, and for that I am giving a party. Feiern means to celebrate. Ish, maybe Angie will write that I want to celebrate the day, or I want to celebrate it with my friends, or I want to celebrate it at home. So ich wollte Hause feiern. I want to celebrate at home. Ich wollte. Oder ich will. Write it, ich will. Ich will zu Hause feiern. I will be celebrating at home. Then what all information do you think you can write about the party? Any suggestions? Hello, guys, say something. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so any suggestions here? What all information should I add here? Like I have already written that on 10th I have birthday, and for that I'm giving a party and I will be celebrating at home. Any more information for this point you think should be there? Okay, no problem. Let's proceed with the next point. Wer kommt noch? Who all are coming? So maybe you can write the name, some of your name of some of your friends. Sabina und kommt auch. Party. So Sabina and Betty are also coming for the party. Wann fängt die Party an? When the party will start. So fängt um 20 Uhr an. Bitte gerade zu Hause. So party will begin at 8 o'clock in the evening. Please come directly to the home. And viele Grüße. Anji. So this is like very simple, short and crisp email which you can write. You have given the information about the party that you are celebrating at home, date, then you have given the time also, and then who other friends are coming. So this is something you can write. We will be proceeding further with one more example where we will be writing the reply to this email. But before that, write it down in your copy. Let me know once done. Written?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So now here in this sentence, I have added few more words to make it little longer and little nicer. So here it means I want to celebrate the day with my friends. So ich will den Tag, der Tag. So since it's accusative here, de is accusative here. So der will change to den. So ich will den Tag zu Hause mit meinen Freunden, with my friends, to celebrate. Mit meinen Freunden, dative case. Friends, plural, so die will change to den. So mein plus den, meinen, mit meinen Freunden feiern. So ich will den Tag mit meinen Freunden zu Hause feiern oder zu Hause mit meinen Freunden feiern. So now when you are completely sure that you will be able to write these long sentences including the prepositions, then you can write such sentences. Now let's see the second example. So here let's say now Rachel is writing the reply to Angie's email that she there can be two replies, either she will be coming to the party or she might not be coming to the party. So now let's say first situation, not going to the party. So let's say Rachel have some urgent work and she will not be able to attend the party. Now let's see what all information we can add here. Now before I proceed further, is whatever I have written here, is it clear to everyone or any questions? Because you guys were not responding while I was writing or asking anything. Is it clear or is it not clear?
Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, Angie. Okay, now let's say Rachel is replying to this particular information, to this particular invitation, and she is saying that she will not be able to attend the party. So, liebe Angie, es geht mir gut. Danke. Ich hoffe, geht es dir auch gut geht. So it's going fine with me. Thank you. And I hope you are also doing good. Now, first you are replying to the invitation. Obviously, first of all, you will be thanking other person for inviting you. So,
Danke for the
für die Einladung. Vielen Dank für
Einladung.
die Einladung. Vielen Dank für die Einladung. Super.
Zum Geburtstag.
Geburtstag. Vielen Dank für die Einladung zum Geburtstag.
I cannot come. Kann ich?
Ich kann leider nicht kommen. Leider, unfortunately. Ich kann leider nicht kommen. Am 10.12. muss ich bei meinen Verwandten. Let's say you have to visit your parents on the same day because of some work. So you're writing am 10.12. muss ich bei meinem Verwandten, bei dative preposition. So you can write either this, or you can write either you can write this, or you can write Feinten sollten besucht oder muss ich eine Verwandten besuchen. So either like I have to visit my parents, or I am visiting my parents. Or you can write 10. besuche ich meine Verwandten. So there are like 3 sentences which you can write. Now, what else she has written? Like Zabina and Betty are also coming. Shown. Like it's very nice that Sabina and Betty are also coming.
Schon.
Or maybe Sabina und Betty kommt auch. Das ist wirklich schön. So like you are very excited to know that your other best friends Sabina and Betty are also coming. So you're saying Sabina und Betty kommt auch. Das ist wirklich schön. That is really very nice. Then what else you can write? Maybe you can write that on 10th of December you cannot visit, but maybe you will find time some other day for to visit your friend, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
15. sollten bin ich frei oder habe ich frei? Dann komme ich gerne zu dir. So here you are writing that you are not coming on 10th, but you have free time on 15th. Dann komme ich zu dir. Then I will gladly come to your place. Und natürlich what is to bring along? If you guys remember Trennbares verb, what is to bring along? Like mit common is to come along. What is to bring along?
Mitbringen.
Mitbringen. Und natürlich bringe ich das Geschenk mit. And then maybe a smiley face. Bis dann und herzlichen Glückwunsch.
Geburtstag.
Now, what all things I have written here? Let's discuss one more time. So first you have said thank you for the invitation. I'm just marking them as a bullet points so that you know, like all these points are separate from each other. So first you have written, you have said thank you. Vielen Dank für die Einladung zum Geburtstag. Ich kann leider nicht kommen. You cannot come, and then you are giving the reason why you cannot come, that you have to visit your parents. Sabina und Betty kommt auch. So you are very happy to know that your friends are also coming. Das ist wirklich schön. Then you have also said that you cannot come on 10th, but you can visit on 15th. Dann komme ich gerne zu dir, then I'll come to you. Und natürlich bringe ich das Geschenk mit. And naturally, obviously, I'll also bring along the gift. Bis dann, till then, und herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag and cordial wishes for the birthday. Tag. Grüße. Clear? This one? Any questions, any confusion, or any suggestions, any points which you think we should add or we can add here?
No. No.
Okay. Now, do one thing. Let's take 5 minutes, note it down in your copy, and then you guys will be writing one more email for me. I'll give you the situation, like same situation, almost same situation, but then you will be writing the email on your own. Note it down first, and then we'll proceed further with the next exercise. Geschrieben.
Geschrieben.
Angie, Saurabh, written.
Yes.
Geschrieben.
Okay, now we have situation 2, where you are going to the party. So this is something you will write on your own. I am telling you like what all points you can add. So firstly, of course, you will write thank you about the invitation. Then you will be saying that you will be happy to come to the party and I will be there on time or something like that. Since it's a house party, maybe you can ask your friend that do you want me to bring something like beverages or pizza or anything else you want me to bring along. So these are the things you can ask and write the email saying giving the affirmation to the invitation. So these 3-4 points you can write. Thank you about the party, confirming that you will be coming on the given date and time, and then you are asking if you want to if the friend wants you to bring along something.
Okay.
Once written, send me the screenshot.
I sent it already.
Okay, let me check. Okay, so liebe Angie, es geht mir gut. Danke, ich hoffe, es dir auch gut geht. Vielen Dank für die Einladung. Wann und wo ist die Party? Soll ich etwas mitbringen? Ich kann Salat und Getränke mitbringen. Bis dann. So,
It's very
Rachel,
short.
no problem. So you have asked like when and where is the party, though Angie has given all the details. So there is like no point of asking this information because you were writing the reply to the invitation you have already received,
Yeah.
right? So maybe you could have asked something else. Had it given in the pointers that you have to ask the information, then it was okay to write this information, to ask like this question.
Okay.
Dann ich kann Salat und Getränke mitbringen. Bis dann. Viele Grüße. Okay, no problem. This is also correct, like grammatically correct. But try to write some more sentences to that.
Okay.
Angie, Saurabh.
Wait for a while. I'm rewriting it.
Okay, no problem. Meanwhile, I have written the homework for you guys. This is from A1.1. Some writing exercises and some listening exercises. I have I have given the YouTube link also and timestamp from where you can do this exercise. So once you're done writing a letter, I'll just explain this homework a little bit. Rachel, meanwhile, if you want to add like few more sentences to what you have written, you can do that and then we'll discuss.
Yeah.
2 more minutes. Angie and Saurabh, send it to me quickly. Send it, whatever you have written. We'll discuss. Send it, guys. Angie, send it.
Neha,
Read
I
this.
haven't read it till now.
No
I
problem, Saurabh. You can send it later. Okay, meanwhile, I'm just explaining what I have written for homework. So this is a 1.1 book, page number 106, first of all. So what you have to do this exercise 9b. You have to read this information, like there are some advertisements given. You have to read them, and as per this, and there are some statements also given. So you have to match the statements with the advertisements given. Anzeiger basically is advertisement. So this is first exercise. Aufgabe 9b. Then we have listening exercise auf Seite 113 und 114. Here, this one, this whole exercise with this white background on page number 114 and on page number 113. So I've given the YouTube link also, and then timestamp. So 5 minutes 15 seconds this exercise will start, and then you can start listening to it. So there are some small conversations given. You have to listen to the conversation, and then you have to give the answers. So like in the first example, it will be like wohin fährt die Frau, where the female is going. So either she's going to the town hall, either she's going to the railway station, or she's going to the hotel. This is the conversation. You have to cross the correct answer. So you have to note down the correct answer in your book. Wie ist die Frau von Beruf? Like what does the female do by her profession? So these are like six small exercises. This is basically a small impression of what you will get for listening exercise in your exam. So this is basically for listening exam practice. Then we have Seite 114. Then we have this small exercise 5a on page number 115. This is something you have to write, just information. These information you have to fill in as per these topics. And I think I have received something from Angie. Okay, so we go. Vielen Dank für die Einladung zum Geburtstag. Ich bin frei. Ich komme gern. Angie, what is the second sentence? Ich bin frei.
I am free on your birthday.
Okay. Ich habe frei oder ich bin frei am 10.12. So you'll mention the date, like I am free on 10th und ich komme gern zu dir.
Okay.
And then ich komme gern und auf
Gerichtet.
meaning
Like I'm excited.
okay. This is like grammatically incorrect. So try to write simple sentences. Don't try to write like in a way something which you haven't learned so far. So this is something like you have written, I will be very excited. So this is something like reflexive verb, like sich freuen oder sich aufgeregen. So this is something we haven't learned yet. So maybe you can write like ich bin sehr froh für die Party. I'm very happy for the party. Or ich bin sehr froh für dich. Oder ich bin sehr glücklich dafür. I'm very happy for that. Möchten Sie then you have written möchten Sie ich alkoholische Getränke mitbringen? Soll ich?
Soll ich?
Yes. Should I bring along? So you're trying to write here, you want me. Do you want me?
Yes.
So maybe you can write try to keep it simple and write it soll ich etwas mitbringen.
Etwas.
Ich etwas mitbringen, because if you will write like do you want me to bring along something, it will include like accusative or dative pronouns, so that might then you might end up making some mistakes.
Okay. Complicated.
Ich werde für dich ein großes Geschenk mitbringen. I'll bring along a big gift for you. So this is like direct. Ich werde, sehr schön. Bis dann, liebe Grüße, Angie. Okay. So gut geschrieben. And this will be your homework, guys. Along with that, if you get time, try to do more exercises from this book. So like after this page number 115, there are a lot of good exercises which you can practice and you can write. Okay, any questions, any confusion?
Then,
Okay.
Okay, then we'll see each other on Monday.
okay, bis Montag.
Bis Montag.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.